Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already primed my eyes with my Juvia's Place concealer and set it with my ABA setting powder and Deep Peach. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that orange shade and use that in my crease. And I'm going to take the yellow shade and I'm going to put that on my lids, and also I'm going to take that light green shade and put it right next to the yellow shade. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure you click the like button on my shorts as well as my videos, because that helps my channel as well. Next, I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line liquid eyeliner, and this is in black vinyl. Now I'm using the Cherry Blossom Silk 3D Lashes in 036 and the House of Lashes eyelash glue. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil. Then I'm going to use the Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Before I put on my foundation, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Pressed Powder in medium deep. I'm just using this to keep my makeup matte and to keep the oiliness down on my face. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in 3.5N, and I'm just going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I had that concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440, and I'm using this as my all over face powder. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that orange shade and use that for my blush. And I'm going to take the other shade and use that for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the ABH Lip Primer. I'm also going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, as well as the Makeup Revolution Lip Topper in Exquisite. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this yellow and emerald green eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure you click the like button on my shorts and my videos because that helps my channel as well. And everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. Please share and comment. I would love to hear from you all. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.